of shared experiences that people in creative spaces are encouraging. And that is being witnessed in various platforms, be it television, film, basically multimedia, and it's really wonderful. I'm actually looking forward to seeing Priyanka in New York City and personally experiencing the love and the affection that she has garnered for herself in America. I think it'll be wonderful.
Who are you rooting for this time?
It's last year was a very interesting year for cinema. Many very socially relevant topics were explored through the various narratives. Some of my favorite films from last year were Dangal, Pink, Neerja. There are many more to name, but these were my top 3 favorite films. It's going to be tough to vote right now because there's just been such an incredible body of work at display, and I hope we continue to grow like this and audiences continue to enjoy and love meaningful, socially relevant, good films.
We are going to be seeing the Nudat's biopic very soon. So how is it going?
Yeah.
I mean,
It's going really well. I just completed my last day of work a few days ago, and it's really a privilege and an honor to work with such a wonderful set of people. Mr. Rajkumar Hirani has directed me before in Lage Raho Munna Bhai. It was really nice to be back on his film set. But more than anything else, it's just the combined forces of talent that form, the making of this film, and I can't wait for us to have the opportunity to reveal more about it. Right now, we're all tight-lipped about what we're doing. The only thing I can say is that it's a privilege and an honor and an absolute joy to be working on the Sanjay Dutt biopic.
Did you had any opportunity to interact with Sanjay Dutt?
Of course.
Any of sort of words you had with him?
Sanjay sir is happy that I'm doing the film, and that means a lot to me. We've shared a very warm relationship over the years. I've done a few films with him in the past, and I'm just really happy that he was happy I was doing the film.
Then we've seen, Ranveer.
You should not have seen that. It was leaked by the media, and we were shooting that day, and I have to admit that it was upsetting because it was a look that we were saving to reveal much later. And while we are very enthused by the response from the public, which has been fantastic, we do wish that the media had respected the privacy of the film and not revealed those pictures. Bad people.
right?
Yes, but the media wasn't invited to take pictures.
Yeah, but how is it to work with Ranveer, and people are being like recently Arshad said that he saw him in workshops and he's amazing as Sanju. So
Ranveer is amazing. There's no two ways about it. It's been a learning curve to work with him. He is supremely talented, and it's just such a joy and privilege to watch him at work and work with him. But I have to say that Ranbir Kapoor has possibly one of the finest temperaments I've ever worked with. That says a lot about a person.
You didn't think Manyata Dutt in the film, so has Manyata watched any of the shots, or did she come on the set when you were shooting? What was her reaction?
I don't want to talk about that.
Alright, we'll just stick to IFA now. Any more questions on IFA? Anything? Alright, thank you.
I look forward to seeing
Thank you.
you guys in New York. Thank you for being
Have a nice
here.
photo.
Which side? This side and this side.
Alright, thank you. Now we go to the media for 5 minutes too.
Here?
Yes.
Enjoy your Sunday.